What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Do you see my lock screen here? It looks fairly, normal, nothing out of the ordinary, right? Wouldn't you like this lock screen to look a lot sleeker, a lot smoother? Well, there is a new jailbreak tweak that allows you to do just that. Follow me. It is LockSmoother Plus. It is a jailbreak tweak that's available for 99 cents on the Big Boss repo. And the whole point of this is to improve the look of your lock screen, to make it look smoother, more sleek, more minimalist. And it does fairly well at that, with some issues as well that we'll talk about. Once you install the tweak, you'll need to go into the preferences in the stock settings app. There you'll find several different sections, starting with the first general section. And that really isn't a section at all. It's just basically a kill switch that you can enable or disable the tweak using that little switch there. Next, below that is the advanced section. This is really the meat and potatoes of LockSmoother Plus. Here you'll find the sections for labels, status bar, and grabbers. And there you can basically disable almost every on-screen element that you find on the lock screen. So you can hide the date, you can hide the charging text, you can set the slide to unlock text to hide. Well, that doesn't really work that well, as you'll see, but you can hide the status bar, you can hide the camera grabber, hide control center grabber, hide notification center grabber, all that jazz. So I'll have all those enabled. I'll show you those in a second. You also have lock pad options, and you can modify the pin field circles diameter. Those are the little, that's not the actual circles that you use to input your passcode, but it's actually the little circles that show you when a passcode has been entered. Those four little dots on the screen. So you can change the diameter and the width of those if you want to do that, just like that. And there's also an option to hide the emergency and cancel buttons on this screen, on the passcode screen, but I find that that doesn't really work at all, even though I did respring earlier. So I'll show you that as well. And then there's some other options. You can choose to remove the shadow, or you can remove notifications separators if you want to do that, but we won't really go into all that. The real meat and potatoes that I want to show you, however, is this right here. See how good it looks now compared to earlier? This is a totally, well, almost totally minimal. You do have that slide to unlock that still wants to come back for whatever reason, even though we said no. But basically, like, the status bar is gone, the grabbers are gone, the control center grabber is gone, the camera grabber is gone, the notification center grabber is gone. So this looks really good, really minimal, really sleek. And that's the point of this jailbreak. Oops, didn't mean to show you that. But that's the point of this jailbreak tweak. It does a very good job of that. Now, here's where I have a problem. On the passcode screen, you see where the emergency and the cancel buttons are sort of cut off. That just doesn't look very good to me. So that's definitely a problem. But if you're using a Touch ID device like the iPhone 5S or 6 or 6 Plus, you're really not going to see that screen much anyway. So it's not really that big of a deal. So ladies and gentlemen, that has been a showcase of LockSmoother Plus. It is a jailbreak tweak that's available on the Big Boss repo for 99 cents. It's hard to wholeheartedly recommend this with some of the issues, particularly with the passcode entry screen with the cutoff text and stuff like that. But if you're looking for something, you have a really, really cool wallpaper and you want as minimal as possible of a lock screen interface, then this is a tweak that can do it for you. It is LockSmoother Plus, 99 cents. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This is Jeff with iDownload Blog.